Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. First things first, we'll need some yellow mustard. That's a little different from the Dijon we always have on hand in our pantry. We'll need some mayonnaise, some sweet pickle relish, or any kind of pickle product of your choosing. Some scallions, green onions, we love those around here. And then, it'd be hard to make egg salad without a few eggs. So we'll grab 8 or 9 extra large eggs and get started. Add those eggs to a pot of cold water, and we're going to bring that gently up to a boil. Once it's there, we'll let it boil for 10 to 12 minutes. That will give us perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. After 10 to 12 minutes, go ahead and remove those to a ice bath to stop the cooking process, keep these eggs from overcooking. While those cool off, we'll go ahead and thinly slice our green onions. And in order to peel these eggs, I'm going to just crack them all over gently and then peel the shell off. Now these eggs were 3 or 4 weeks old, and I can tell you that makes them much easier to peel. If you're using very fresh eggs, this is going to be a bit more of a labor of love, but either way, get those eggs peeled, rinsed and cleaned off, and set aside. I added mine to a bowl. I'm going to season them, of course, with some fresh cracked pepper and a nice strong pinch of salt because eggs need plenty of salt. And you can use any kind of implement you'd like here. I've got this little thing that I use to crumble up ground beef, but works perfectly for this as well. A fork or potato masher or even a food processor would be fine. We're going to just chop these up or chunk them up into whatever size you're looking for. I like this to have some texture and to have some big chunks in it, so you can see I left mine pretty coarse. We'll add in those scallions, some mayonnaise, a little bit of yellow mustard, a little bit of Dijon from the fridge, and a nice heaping spoonful of that relish. As you can see, I'm taking great care to not measure anything here, and I highly recommend you do the same, but I'll put some instructions down below to at least give you a guide. Just taste and adjust the seasoning and texture of this as needed with salt, pepper, mayonnaise, mustard, all that good stuff. There you go. That is one beautiful bowl of egg salad. Now, highly recommend you leave that in the fridge for at least half an hour or covered overnight, but if you want to use it right away, just stack it up onto some rustic, crusty bread, just like this, and we'll lid that bad boy up, and you've got yourself a beautiful, simple, and elegant egg salad sandwich. And I thought this was just the perfect bite this week with, of course, my favorite sporting event of the year upon us, that being the Masters. This is a traditional sandwich in the American South and is commonly found around the grounds of Augusta. I'm not claiming this is their recipe. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's not, but it is damn good. And if you're a fan of the Masters or just great bites of food, I hope you'll give this egg salad a try. And whatever you're having for dinner and whoever you're cheering for, have a happy weekend, enjoy moving day, Master Sunday, and of course, go make something delicious.